on, guys? My name's Nate Dogg. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another unboxing video, so hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, please smash that like button. But yeah, guys, let me get the package. It's back here. Alright, guys, here is the package. If you don't know what this is, it's a laptop, so I can't wait to unbox it. I just got it today. Alright, guys, I got my big knife. You know, I usually have to unbox these with big knives. Alright, how should I unbox this? Let me go like this way first, because this is like the logical way. Oh. Alright, don't try to cut ourselves. Alright. I just don't want to mess the package up. Alright, it's doing good. Don't try to cut like this, please. I'm not safe with knives. I am, but truly I'm not. Alright, there we go. Let's just get this side. This is well taped. Wait, I think I could just, like, put my knife in here. Oh, don't cut upwards either. That's bad. Like, to your body. Alright, we got it. Oh, this looks nice. Alright. Alright, first thing, we're just gonna get the charger out. Let's just try to unbox it. Try to unbox this first. So we got our power cords. We usually throw our trash over here. Let me put this to the side first. Alright. Here's some directions. Now let's get our PC. Not PC, my laptop. Alright, let's put this here. Do I have anything else? Nope. So we can just put it over here. Alright, first of all, this is how they have some other directions. Let me put this over here. And let me flip this over. Alright, let me just do this. Alright, this is looking nice. Oh, it had a port over here that I could just do that. Let me put my trash over here. Alright, let's open it up without breaking it. I'm not... I have no nails. Alright, let me just like... There we go. Look at it, guys. Looks so nice. So, how do you turn it on? Alright, guys, I figured out how to turn it on. I think it's running. It just turned on. Alright. And yes, this is going to hook up to my Elgato, and this is going to be my editing and do everything videos. So, yeah. But alright, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you want like a video how to plug like your Elgato game capture card in your mic towards to your PC, just comment down. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.